Welcome back to another episode. Today is a little bit of an off episode. I haven't done this type of video in a little bit, but today I want to show you something I got just now. I got the message. If you follow Harbor Freight, good for you, but if you don't, you're missing out. What I mean by missing out is today's video is going to be a quick review on what I just got from Harbor Freight and at what price due to their sale. They have I think it's backyard sale. Let me just double check the receipt. I believe it's the something yard. It's some sale, right? But so hear me out. This is what I got. I got a jack, a glove holder, some cans, PB blaster, super glue, casters, and this one excites me. This was a handheld steam cleaner. This is going to be to clean this engine bay that's starting to get a little dirty. So we're going to give it a nice detail very soon. And we got some gloves. Now, that was the reason why I decided to just drive there, because these, you don't get them often at the price that was. Usually these go for like $160 to $180, depending on the time, but I've never seen them go below, well, maybe once, I've seen them go below $100. But today, they were $99. So according to my receipt here, it was, oh wait, this is the receipt for I ended up not paying the casters, but so I ended up paying for this one. Let me see, handheld steam cleaner, magnet glove tissue, CRC broccoli non-chlor, I don't know what that is, super glue, low profile. It usually is $169.99. Today, there's a $70 coupon discount. Well, not today. I believe it's until the 20th. Today is the 17th. I think the 20th. So if I'm able to get this video out beforehand, you can. But they also usually do these yard sales. They call them yard sales or whatever sales, and they do some good stuff. I've seen it only one other time fall below $100, but today it came up to $99.99. Now, keep in mind, this is a 3-ton, not a 2-ton, a 3-ton. For you to get a 2-ton is like just regular price, like $140, $130 or something like that. And this one is the low profile one. It's quick pump, low profile, which is one of the ones. If you follow my YouTube channel, you know that I bought that a long time ago, which right now I have a mess, and it is under that. But you see how I have the 3-ton yellow jack, and I had to fix it because it was broken. But to me, it didn't matter because I can know how to fix it. So anyways, I'm going out of topic, so let's go back to this sale. So yeah, so the jack was $99 for that. Moving on to the actual glove box or glove holder was $9.98, which usually is $15. The handheld steamer is usually $40, but there's a $20 coupon which puts it at $19.99. The gloves are usually $17, but today it was $7.98. The non-chlor, I think this is what is CRC brake cleaner. These I ended up getting a regular price because there was no coupon for it, but I always need it, so it's $7.49. I don't know if you can get it cheaper than that. I know that Amazon and Home Depot and all the other places, they sell them even more expensive. They're $10.99 or something like that. But yeah, so, and then the PB blaster, because I am a member of the Harbor Freight plan, whatever, I don't know what it's called. I think you pay like a membership of $49 a year or something like that. This one would have been, what is it? Penetrating PB blaster would have been $6.99, but it's $4.99 right now, which because of my membership, right? It wasn't a coupon, it's just $2. $2 is $2, so it all ranks up. And so a grand total, well, the casters I had to pay a full price because there was no coupon and I needed it to try to see if I can fix my little bench there. But that one was $10, so that was not in this receipt. But altogether, it came up to be $158. So for all of this, minus the casters, $158.88. So that to me was a very good savings deal. To me is like just like just the price, full price of this would have been $169. So this itself surpassed what I paid for everything. So literally is if I bought this full price and I got everything else for free. So if you don't follow Harbor Freight, I think you should. You should look into those coupons because they have some of the really good sales. Sometimes it happens, and I'm sure there's going to be another one for Black Friday. Right now, this one was a good one. I'm looking forward to more, and I'm gonna start doing some reviews on tools. I'm looking for some tools, and this one is going to be the first one I'm going to do. Not the jack, the actual steam cleaner. I'll let you guys know how that goes. But yeah, I mean, I'm going to put some here in the screen, some other good sales that they had. They were sold out so bad. Like I think their picks and like pick set, it was 99 cents when usually it's like $4. The wrenches are on sale too. A bunch of other things were on sale. I just don't remember, but I was browsing through all that. They got some pretty good sales. So maybe this video will be ready, maybe not, but if not, just keep an eye out for the next sale because they got some good stuff. So if you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.